Hello, on behalf of my colleagues, Yasmin, the team leader, Karar, Kalan, Fatima, Amin, we are here to present our end of semester project in Java class under the supervision of Dr. Zamri, School of Computing, IT Department, UUM. We developed a system for meeting room booking system. This is the system that we develop, and this system has 3 to 4 classes: the main class, the staff class, the room booking class, and the database class. We ensure that this system has connected to SQLite database. This is how we run the system, and our system has run successfully. Our This is our menu, and the menu we have view booking, booking meeting room, edit booking, cancel delete booking, display available meeting room, list staff details, room list, rooms details, quit. So I'm going to take you us one after the other so that we'll see how it works. We start with view. This is our all the booking that we did. We view the booking. If you add another booking, it will view it again. Then we go back to the menu again, because the option here is asking us if you want to, one, to go back to the menu, two, to exit. So now we want to make a booking. Enter the alphabet A. It takes us to how to make a booking. Now it's asking of a staff name. Staff name Aminu Aliyu. Aminu Aliyu. Staff room name Raya. Purpose meeting. Date. Then this is the time display. What time we take? 8 a.m. Then we terminate the program here, because we are not going to book. If we want to add another booking, then we can continue, but because of the demonstration, we are going to just stop things. Let's view it and see. So this is it. It has been added. The data that we enter, has been added. Aminu Aliyu, purpose meeting, the time, date, and thing is been added. So we have make a booking now. So now let's go to the edit. We want to edit the booking. We edit. So let's edit is asking us now, please key in the booking ID. So what is our booking ID? Let's say our booking ID is 15. So this is the information for 15. So what do we want to edit? We want to edit the name. We want to edit the name. Enter. So put the name that you want to edit. Put Karar Ali Aliyu. So now it has entered. The Karar Aliyu has been updated. It has been entered. So let's just view and see. Can you see it? Karar Aliyu is being changed. So we can able to change from Aminu Aliyu to Karar Aliyu. So let's continue to show you the other active menu. Then see, cancel. cancel. If you want to cancel the booking, you enter 15, the ID, then this meeting is being cancelled. You see, this booking is being cancelled. The booking is being cancelled. So let's go to the menu. Yes, then we display the available meeting rooms. D is to display the available meeting rooms. So if you want to put the date, you put the date that you want to display, then to display the available meeting rooms. You see, we have this Kenanga, this and Mola. So this is our available rooms for that particular date. So let's continue. Then E to view the staffs details. So this is the available staffs that we have. We have Nur Yasmin, we have Kan'an, we have Karar Ali, we have Fatima Nazir, Aminu Aliyu. So this is the available staff we have. Then we continue with the menu. Now staff details. If maybe let's say maybe we want to search for any staffs, then we search enter the staff number, then you can able to view the staff. So let me enter the staff number 9. So edit details continues with staff. Then do you want to edit the details of the staff? Do you want to continue, or do you want to go back to anywhere you want to any one of the menu you want? But for now, because of the time factor, we go to 3, go back to menu, so that we show the other activities. Then the room available rooms, enter the available room. This is the available rooms we have. We have Kananga, we have Maula, and Raya. This is the available rooms we have so far. Then the next thing is to go back to the menu as well. You can go back to the menu if you okay, you want to search for a room, or the available rooms you want to search. Okay, let's say maybe you search for Raya. Then this is the available. We have the Raya is room 2 is available and is not being booked. So now we have this one. Then the next thing is to go back to the menu. So here we are back to the menu. We have go through all these things in details, but because of the time factor, so we are going to quit here. Q is to quit. Thank you. So this is the available system that we have able to come up with, and this system is running successfully as I mentioned before, and we ensure that all the database connectivity is being done and the system was running successfully. And moreover, the idea is being given by a lot of people. We search so many reference, and with cooperation and collaboration, we have able to come up with this system. So for this end, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my colleagues for their hard work and dedication throughout this period, to see that this work has come to the successful stage. Thank you very much, and God bless you. And at the same time, we need to use the opportunity to thank Doctor for giving us the experience and putting us through this with his guide and support and encouragement. Thank you very much, Doctor, for all your support and encouragement. God bless you.